Welcome to the second set of our polynomial introductions. This is 14-2, and we're working with distribution with two parentheses, or two parenthesis sets. This is the first sample. Okay, earlier we learned how to, how to work an equation or an expression that looks like this, right? We had something like 3 times x plus 6, and we were able to distribute this, and we came with 3x plus 18. So we're going to use the same concept to set this up. Now this first time we're going to do this just to get used to the idea and see what's happening, and then we'll show you a much quicker and more efficient way to do it, or at least the way we're thinking about it. So I'm going to start out with taking this whole thing at first, and I'm going to put it in a variable. So I'll do that by saying, all right, we're going to call the variable a, and say we're going to put in a the parentheses x plus 3. Now what that does for us is it makes it so this expression here is a little easier to understand right at first. So if we do that, we'll put a here, and then we just write down the other part. Now we can do just like we did before and distribute a amongst the items inside of the parentheses. So I have ax plus a times 5. Now normally I'd write it at 5a, but I'm keeping them relative for a reason. Okay, cool. So now that we have that, that doesn't mean a lot to me, so I'll go back and I'll take the original here and I'll plug it back in to this expression. And so now we just plug it in. So I have x plus 3, all that times x, plus, once again we do the same thing, x plus 3, this times 5. Okay, now we can go ahead and distribute both pairs. Put the x, we're dividing or timesing on both items. Okay, so x times x, as we saw before, is x squared. X times 3 is positive 3x. Then we do this set. We do 5 times x and 5 times 3. Now the only added step we have to do is make sure we combine like terms. And in this case we notice we have two x's by themselves. Well, sort of by themselves, they have a coefficient, but they are a single x, an x. So I've got 3 x's here, 5 x's there, a total of 8. Oh, that was Joyce. That was really good. I better erase that real quick and do it again. Okay, we have 8 x's here. And we have 1 x squared. And we have 15 constants. Gives us the end. That would be the answer. Okay, now go on to sample 2.